In this episode, I will repair this BMW F10. It's a 5 Series. The problem of this car, how to say it? The iDrive controller drinks some coffee. Or the owner, by mistake, spilled some coffee on the iDrive controller. And because of that, the buttons become sticky. I will need to take out the iDrive controller and clean it. And by the way, the coffee was with the milk and sugar. Okay, you can see these are sticky. Now they are not. We'll need to make some rum. First, we need to remove this cover. Next, we have a screw here. It's a T20 type of screw. After that, this is broken. Okay, I need to remove all this piece. I need to unplug everything. Okay. And you can see here some more coffee, and here these screws are the same, T20. I need to take out the gear selector because I see some coffee here. Next, I will remove these screws. These are T25. But I'm making something illegal here. I use a T20 to open the T25 screws. Yeah, you can see the coffee. Some money. I will need to remove this big bracket because it's full of coffee. These have only T20 type of screws. Okay, I need a 10mm socket. I need to clean this. This one I need to clean. This. And la pièce de résistance. The iDrive controller have 3 T20 screws. T6. This one is T8. This is 5.5 millimeters. Next I will need to remove this cap. Next I can remove this ring. It's held in place with these small tabs. Now I can remove the bottom cover. This is the electronic board. The board is in perfect condition. Yeah. Now I can clean this part, and this one, and this one, and this one. These are the same, T8. This is good. I will need to clean this. Next, the parking brake button, also T8 Torx, T8 type of screws. This one have a small quantity. I will clean this. And after I have been waiting over 2 hours for all these parts to get dry, I cannot lie to you. I have used the water evaporator 660. Now, let's see if I remember to put everything back. Let's start with this one. Next, this big boy. Okay, the gear selector is clean inside, only the outside is dirty. And this is the final piece that I need to clean. Okay, now let's reassemble everything back. I will use some contact spray for cleaning the contacts and protect them. And finally, la pièce de résistance. And this is the last screw. Perfect. And everything is in its place, working perfectly. The only thing that it's remaining to do is to clear the errors. And zero fault memory. And this was a successful cleaning job, not repair this time. So be careful with your coffee inside your car, because have you seen how much work is it for one coffee? Of course, this coffee was not a normal coffee, it was a coffee with milk and sugar, don't forget. I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you want to ask me something, use the comment section down below. And till next time, stay awesome!